It's like something out of a crime scene.
I've seen enough. I'm going in.
I spent years helping restaurants, but the moment they know I'm coming, they cover their tracks. Not this time.
Always good to start with a black night.
Oh boy.
Oh my God, this place smells.
It's almost 73 degrees.
This place is roasting.
Dear, oh dear. That will send you to hospital.
So gross.
This summer, Gordon Ramsay is going deep undercover.
I've got this restaurant under surveillance. I can't help without you wanting to change. This could be something spectacular.
Gordon Ramsay's Secret Service premieres Wednesday, May 21st on Fox.